What's up, YouTube family? It's me, Nate the Insurance Dealer, and I am back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how long it takes for you to get approved once you submitted your life insurance application. Let's get into it. If you're new here, welcome. So glad to have you. If you're not, what's up? Let's get into it. How long it takes for your application to get approved? Typically, the process is there are a few different types. So if you're doing an electronic application, most companies, you submit it that day, you'll be able to get a pre-approval that day. A lot of them have express applications. Now, there are some companies where you may have to do a physical signature. So instead of doing an electronic signature, you have to print it out and actually sign it and submit it to the company. That's with various cases, like if you have a different payer from who the owner is. So there can be a few different details that go into it. But what happened is when you submit that application, that may take a little longer because it's actually going through underwriting versus them saying, okay, hey, we're approving you right off the spot, express based on what we found in your medical record, based on the type of medication you're on. We can give you that answer. Versus if you submit a paper application, you're going directly through an underwriter. Now, what is underwriter and underwriting? Underwriting happens with every application. It just is different depending on how you submit it. The system calculates whether or not the electronic applications are approved. If they see something that may alert them, then they will send it to an underwriter, which will require an additional look-through process. So this is someone who goes through and they're looking at your application, they're looking at your medical history, they're looking at your medications, they're looking to see, their job is to see if you are a big risk to the company that the company should not insure you. So basically, this is a second layer for the companies that have all of the technological advancements that you can submit the application through and know right away, right? So if it doesn't pass that first layer, then it goes directly to an underwriter, and that underwriter has to process it, look through it, break down your application to say, hey, we can insure them, or hey, we need some more information. They may say, contact your agent, we need a little bit more information about this person, and then you have to send that information in. Or everything may just check out and they say, okay, you're good to go. We just need you to maybe initial on this page and resubmit this. So it goes through that process, and that typically can take a few days. The express applications you will know the same day, as well as applications that are sometimes submitted and they may not be express. It might take a day or two before you receive that information back from your agent. That will depend on the time frame, the type of the application, how it's submitted, things of that nature. So it varies. Typically, most companies now, they're trying to get you the applications approvals as fast as possible because people do want to know whether they're insured or not. But sometimes it does take a little extra work and they have to go through another process, another layer to say, hey, yeah, we can insure this person, or let's get a little bit more information. So underwriting is a process that it goes through to see if there's anything else that they would need to look into before they actually say yes to giving you coverage. And that time varies depending on the application. So, hope this video helped you. I hope you learned something. If you did, give me a little like, make sure to comment, share, send this to somebody that you know who may have some questions about how long an application process may take, and subscribe to the channel so that you'll get all the things that's to come. Talk to you guys soon.